Good morning, kindergarten. I hope everyone had a great weekend, that you were able to get outside and enjoy the nice weather, that you were able to do something fun with your families. We're going to do our calendar board and then we're going to play a little rhyming game. All right, here we go. Good morning, good morning. How are you today? We welcome you in a friendly way. Sing the days of the week with everybody, starting with Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days make a week, starting with Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. All right, good news. Everybody gets to be a counter today. Are you ready? Count when I point. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29. Very good. Tomorrow will be 30. Tomorrow is Timber's birthday. Woo. All right, everybody, who can tell me what day of the week is it today? Everyone look. Monday. What does Monday start with? Everyone think of a word that starts with like macaroni. Good job. What will tomorrow be? Tuesday. What does Tuesday start with? T. Good. Think of a word that starts with T, like Tuesday. How about tarantula? Tarantula Tuesday. What was yesterday? Very good. Yesterday was Sunday. What does Sunday start with? S. S says S. Think of a S word. How about Superman? Very good. All right, here's my straw. On Friday, we had 126 days of school. If I had one more straw, let's count. Our giant bundle, 10 little bundles, 100 straws. Everyone say 100, 110, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127. Very good. Think in your brains. How many more days until it's a bundle day again? We have 127. How many more days till a bundle? 3 more. Very good. All right. Now it is time for our rhyming game. So what I have here are a bunch of picture cards. I'm going to show you a card and you have to tell me something that rhymes with it. Here we go. Let's start with an easy one. How about this? Sun. What is a word that rhymes with sun? Good job. My word is fun. Sun, fun. Bus. What rhymes with bus? Bus, fuss. How about that? Here's boy. What rhymes with boy. Boy, toy. Good. Here's a silly one. What rhymes with zipper? Zipper. Zipper. How about flipper? Zipper, flipper. What rhymes with yarn? Yarn. Yarn. Barn. Good one. How about this? What's this word say? Yaks. Yaks. What rhymes with yaks? How about jacks? Aren't they fun? Look how cute those little yaks are. Yaks, jacks. Here's one. Sound it out. Lamp. Lamp. What rhymes with lamp? How about camp? Lamp, camp. Sound it out. At. Hat. What rhymes with hat? Hat, rat. What's this one? Goat. What rhymes with goat? How about boat or coat? The goat wore a coat on the boat. What is this? This looks different than the one we caught, huh? Frog. Frog. What rhymes with frog? Frog. Log. How about this one? Fox. What rhymes with fox? Fox. Box. Egg. What rhymes with egg? Egg. Leg. How about this one? Cow. What rhymes with cow? Cow. How? How about corn? What rhymes with corn? Corn. Torn. The paper was torn. Clock. Clock. What rhymes with clock? Clock. Rock. Or sock. Here we go. Scratch and post. What rhymes with cat? Cat. Bat. Cat. Mat. Car. What rhymes with car? Car. Jar. This one. Ant. What rhymes with ant? Ant. Plant. Dog. 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 What rhymes with dog? Dog. Hog. Almost done. Gate. What rhymes with gate? Gate. Plate. And I'm sure you're coming up with great words too. I'm sure you have some nonsense words in here too, huh? What's this word? Pig. Pig. What rhymes with pig? How about pig? Fig. Duck. Duck. What rhymes with duck? How about truck. Duck, truck. Drum. What rhymes with drum? How about drum? Strum. Like you strum a guitar. That one pretty. The moon. Un. We did un words on Friday. What rhymes with moon? Moon. Spoon. How about this one here? He is a man. What rhymes with man? Man, van. And last one, ring. Look at, there's the king of ing. What rhymes with ring? Ring, sing. Great job, kindergarten. Check in a little bit later and you can watch our read aloud. And I'm also going to send to your families a drawing hub. All right, have a great rest of your day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.